In my opinion, I think that workers today are more productive than ever. The impact of technology on work, both in manufacturing and in communication, has exponentially increased the rate of production and speed at which business acquires technology and the workplace has helped workers become more efficient than ever before. I consider that the principal effects of technology are behavioral problems, less time for play, and loss of social skills, obesity, sleep problems, violence. From my point of view, the three negative impacts of technology on society are: experts have found that in addition to making our life more convenient, but there's a negative side to technology and can be addicting and it can hurt our communication skills. Extended screen time can result in health ramifications like insomnia, eye strain, and increase anxiety and depression. Contrary to the above mentioned, there are some positive impacts of environmental technology. Some of the with positivity impact on the environment included um, material goods to the maximum of their lifespan, refuse to use plastic-based products, saving water and energy, using public transportation of every day, communicating is also a good way to save our planet. The use of technology has made everyday life more convenient for everyone. Unfortunately, as a result, it has led to trouble sleeping, created unnecessary stress for its user, and has increased laziness. It could appear that technology is just as harmful as it is helpful.